It was almost Halloween on the island of Sodor. Tin Machets was decorated with spiderwebs and jack-o'-lanterns. The engines were also decorated with spiderwebs. Even the Fat Controller's house was decorated with spiderwebs and jack-o'-lanterns. When it was 2 days before Halloween, Thomas was taking some children out to look for some Halloween costumes and stopped at a red signal. "Bother," he said. "What a nuisance signals are." Then something very strange happened near the buffers. A diesel raced straight out of the buffers. Hello," cried Thomas. "But why aren't you decorating spider webs?" But he didn't answer. He just raced away. He was going so fast, he was only a blue blur in Thomas's eyes. Huh. That's, interesting. And pretty creepy, too. Whew. Then his signal turned green, and he puffed away. That night, all the engines were still decorated, and they went to sleep. Thomas told all of the engines about the diesel that appeared out of the buffers that night. All the engines were curious, except for Gordon. He was at the works being repaired, because Henry said boo to him and scared him so much that he hurtled off the line. "Hey, it wasn't my fault." "Whatever." Then Harvey steamed up. He was also decorated. All the engines asked him about the little diesel. "Oh, I've heard about this engine. A long time ago, something happened that nearly killed him. Actually, it really killed him." Quit being sissies. "Well, how did he die?" asked James. "You've heard enough. Now, I must be going now." And Harvey steamed away. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, completely unexpected, the diesel came around the bend. Oh dear, this isn't gonna be good. Hi," said the engines. Suddenly it got darker. "Oh, shut up, guys. You're such girls. It's scary." Oh dear. The narrator's right. That is extremely annoying. Sorry, but you look scary. Are you trying to speak some sort of foreign language or something? No. I am the diesel who was randomly killed. That Harvey, that crane engine was talking about. Wait, how do you know? Telekinesis. Wow, you really are spooky. Why is it so dark? I'm going to tell you the story of how I died. So, are you some sort of a ghost? Yes, I'm a ghost! What else would have I been if I was killed recently? Dude, someone needs a hug. Shut up! I'm going to tell you the story. Long ago, where's the transition to the flashback? Okay, if you say so, you don't need Hey, where's the flashback? I didn't feel like filming that. Whatever. I was working at the logging mill. Ooh, spooky. Yes. just know it's the night before Halloween. It was the night before Halloween. And wait a minute. Isn't tonight the night before Halloween? Jeff, this was last year, 2012. Just shut up, idiot. Fine, no fun. Shut up! But on Halloween, I went a little bit too far. Take up my business! Hey guys, shut up! It's just me, Diesel. I have a mask on and a blue coat of paint. There's no such thing as the Slender Diesel or something. Ooh, I need to change my bunker. Ugh, idiots. So prone to steam engines that I would be some sort of a Slender Diesel. The real one's over there. Wait a minute. With the real one?